Alright guys, so in this video I want to teach you how to write a text behind an image. First you have to duplicate your background, the image you want to write the text behind it, and then write your text just as I'm about to do. Alright, okay, so you position it at where you want the text to be, just like I just did. Okay, yeah, and now you have to bring the background, the image that you duplicated, above the text that you just wrote. Okay, just like I'm about to do. Okay, now your text is missing. Now this is what you have to do. You have to use the image selection tool to select the particular image that you want the text to appear behind, just like I'm doing. All right, okay. Now once you have done a perfect selection of the image, click on the mask layer. Okay, and now your text is now behind the image. As you can see, you are done. So what you have to do next is export your final project if that's all that you wanted to do. All right, bis später.